Is activity number 1. Go to any open ground and where many wild plants are growing. ठीक है, आपने ग्राउंड में जाना है, वहाँ से कुछ भी वाइल्ड प्लांट जो हैं वो ऐसे ही अपने आप ग्रो करते हैं, उनको उखाड़ना है. ठीक है, एंड देन आफ्टर वॉश देयर रूट्स, wash off the soil from the roots and observe them. Do you find all of them have either different kind of fruit? Okay, so for root of the kind shown in figure 7.17, see there are different type of roots of both plants. The main root is called taproot. Now what is taproot? Underline this one. This is the definition. What is taproot? The main root is called taproot, and the smaller roots are called lateral roots. The plant with root as shown in figure do not have main root. All roots seem similar. Those plants have no main root and all root seem similar. These are called fibrous root. Now this plant have main taproot and these side roots are called lateral roots. No, in this plant have no main root. All are similar roots, so they are called fibrous roots. Okay, so separate the plant you have collected into two group. ठीक है, आपने इनको डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ग्रुप, टू ग्रुप बना लेने, एक टैप रूट के और एक फाइब्रस रूट के. ठीक है, इन ग्रुप ए यू पुट दोज ऑल हैव टैप रूट एंड इन ग्रुप बी दोज हैव फाइब्रस रूट. नाउ लुक एट द लीव्स ऑफ दिस प्लांट and make a group. What kind of venation do they have, and what kind of venation do you see for a plant to grow, for a plant of group B? Okay, so see, in first plant there is a reticulate venation and in second one is parallel venation. Do you notice that the leaf venation and the type of fruit in a plant are related in a very interesting way? Can you match the type of leaf venation and the type of fruit for some plants you have studied in all the activity? Now first you have to write here the name of plant. Next is type of leaf of venation and type of fruits. Now name of plant here. Okay, now you have seen name of plant like mango plant. Type of venation is the reticulate, and type of fruit is the tap and lateral root. Tap root and lateral root. Second plant like maize plant, fibrous root, okay, and type of, in maize we have to write here venation, so its venation is parallel venation and its root is fibrous root. Okay, fibrous root. Okay, we have learned that the root absorb water and mineral from the soil and the stem conduct these water and mineral to the leaves and other part of the plant. The leaves prepare food. This food travel through stem and is stored in different part of plant. We eat some of these as root, as like a carrot, radish, sweet potato, turnip and tapioca. We also eat many other part of the plant where food is stored. Do you agree that the stem is like a street with two-way traffic? Write the name of the minerals that go up in the stem and that which come down. Okay, so see, this is the stem. This is the plant in which stem that conduct the water and mineral to different part of the plant. Okay, so today we do only up to this page. Thank you. Have a nice day.